So, British actor Noel Clarke was recently arrested, and this comes very soon after he lost a defamation lawsuit against The Guardian, which has resulted him in having to pay up to £6 million in legal fees. Mad. Let me break it down. Yeah. So cool. The Sky News has reported, as you can see, Noel Clarke ordered to pay at least at least 3 million of the Guardian's publisher's legal fees. This is obviously because he lost the case, and you get me. These men have got bills to pay. So if you sue us, make us come to. This is how it works. If you sue a company, if you sue individual, uh, company, whatever, an entity, make them come to court, brother, and you lose. You're taking me to court and you lose. You better cover my fees, bro. Mad. So Noel Clarke has been ordered to pay at least 3 million of the Guardian's publisher's legal costs after losing his far-fetched libel case over allegations of sexual misconduct reported by the newspaper. So that's pretty much it. The Guardian. So Noel Clarke is suing the Guard had sued the Guardian because they initially are the ones who broke out um up to 20 women, I believe, had came out and accused Noel Clarke of sexual misconduct. They broke the story. They were leading the charge against him, and he was not having it. That's why he's taking them to court. But he lost. Why did he lose? We'll go into this article by BBC News. So, as you can see, Mrs. Justice Steen, that is obviously one of the judges, she added, I've accepted some of I've accepted some of Mr. Clark's evidence, but overall, I find that he was not a credible or reliable witness. So they've basically they don't trust. You get me? As you can see, he's not credible. How can a guy be leading a defamation case? He's providing all the evidence. They've ruled it out. They ain't believing that. You get it? And as you can see, the judge said Clark's conspiracy claim did not have a proper foundation and was born of necessity in the face of the large body of witnesses giving evidence against him. There has been no conspiracy to lie. In the absence of a conspiracy, Mr. Clark's case that more than 20 witnesses, none of whom are parties or have a stake in his case, as he does, have come to court to lie, inherently implausible. You get it? So this guy, yeah, it's looking long, man. It's looking long, very, very long. Yo, this is why, if you're a creator, actor, rapper, somebody who's in the public eye, we've seen very recently many people in our scene, Young Philly, Michael Ward, um, Noel Clarke, guys are getting these sexual allegations, whether it's rape or sexual misconduct allegations against them. And yo, once you get certain allegations attached to your name, sheesh, sheesh, and you don't prove that it's cap, that it's false, long day. You get it. We're already seeing the effects of how it's affecting Noel Clarke's career. In 2009, he won a BAFTA, and then in 2021, he won a BAFTAs award again, I think. And since these allegations came out in 2022, his membership with BAFTA has been suspended, and the awards he's won has been suspended. You get it? So all the accolades he's done throughout his career stripped because man wanted to be moving a bit mad at work. So he was been accused of sexual misconduct. Let's break it down what sexual misconduct is. As you can see here, quick AI overview. This just compiles information from different sources. As you can see, the links are here. But one, I'm going to read into this. I'm not going to delve into it. Sexual misconduct, as it says here, is any unwanted behavior of a sexual nature that violates a person's dignity, consent, and personal boundaries. This can include physical acts such as unwanted touching, hugging, kissing, indecent exposure, or, of course, if it gets more serious, rape or sexual assault. Also, can be verbal, non-verbal conduct, so making sexual jokes, sexual comments, noises, gestures. You get it. All of that freaky behavior. you know, that is what's classed as sexual misconduct. You know what I mean? So if you've got a colleague, female colleague, and you think she's nice, or you feeling her, but she's not feeling you, and she's made it clear that she's not feeling you, listen, you need to leave her alone, fam. Leave her alone. You get me? Man need to know no means no. If you work with a woman, a girl at work, obviously people have, you know, if you're working at a diverse workplace where there's a ratio of men and women, of course you're gonna, guys will flirt with ladies at work or whatever. Cool, but you get it. If it's just that, leave it at that. You get it. You don't want to be getting certain. You don't want to be getting certain allegations associated with your name, man. Because yo, this I believe getting being accused of sexual assault, rape, any sexual misconduct, pedophilia, that is worse on your reputation than you get it. Things like, I don't know, serious crimes like murder and that. That's crazy. But cool. Let me reel it back in. So, following losing his case and being ordered to pay up to 6 million in damages, minimum 3 million he has to repay back. He was arrested. This was Thursday, 21st September. So he was arrested, um, as you can see, but the reasons for his arrests are unknown. So we don't know why he was arrested. But as you can see, the Guardian understands the Met investigation began on the 1st of September. So for the past 28 days, they've been investigating. The Met Police have been investigating Noel Clarke. So this this could become serious. This could, you know, criminal criminal case could follow. Who knows? It could follow if the Met Police are. If you've lost a civil case where you tried to sue organization for saying that they're lying on you, and a court has proven that they weren't lying on you, and that they believe that the claims of the women who have come forward are substantial and believable, and then the Met Police is investigating you. Dark. It's federal. You get me? That is federal. But if you don't know who Noel Clarke is, let's just go back. He's been involved in a lot of cultural hits in terms of TV shows and movies. So sad to see someone that I watched growing up go out like this, man. Kidulthood, yo, kidulthood, adulthood, brotherhood. What a trio! Like you had to be there. Like kids of today, they won't know. Like me watching Kidulthood, I think I was about I was born in 2003 and I probably watched it 2010, 2011. So me watching a UK gang movie at 8 years old, seeing man like Noel Clarke kill Trife at the end, yo, that had me traumatized, man. I can't watch that movie, man, because you know the whole film Trife is just doing what he's doing and then he gets killed at the end. Man, that forever leaves me. And then you had Adulthood. I can't really remember Adulthood to be fair. Brotherhood with Stormzy and stuff. And then you have Bulletproof with Ashley Walters, which was a very, very good show. Very good show. And apparently he's on Doctor Who. I don't watch Doctor Who, never have. So yeah, man. But bro, Noel Clarke is a very, very big art, very, very big actor in British TV. Not even Black British TV. So he's on Ashley Walters level. So to see him go out like this, it's sad, man. It's sad, and I guess it can kind of act as a cautionary tale of how men should conduct themselves in the workplace around women. You know what I mean? Because as I previously said in the video, if you're working around women, if you're collaborating with women, whether you're a rapper, artist, creative, producer, upcoming actor, whatever, you're in creative spaces around women. Make sure, regardless if she's a sweet one, you get me, she's got back, whatever, yeah. Regardless, you get it. You need to have your business cap on because at the end of the day, you don't want to be moving, you don't want to be complimenting this girl, or you get it. You don't want to give the wrong impression. You get it. You're there for business, keep it business. Because if you start, texting this girl for other things other than business, commenting on her Instagram photos, all of that mumbo jumbo, yeah, you're gonna build a reputation. They're gonna think you're a little weirdo. You get it? Gonna be like, oh, my man, yeah. Oh, I met him at a shoot, and now he keeps messaging me, pops up to my stories, my on Instagram, asking me when we're gonna see each other. Yo, brother, it's work. You get me? But yo, listen, guys. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. I thought I'd break down the case because I've been seeing it. Break down the whole kafwafwa, you know what I mean? Noel Clarke arrested, lost his case of defamation, has to sue, has to pay back at least 3 million damages. Dark. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll keep up the output throughout the rest of the week. Yeah? Anything, any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Love.